least can see it raining. He's probably spraying. He can't get to it right now.
He can't spray if it's raining. He better stop.
He can spray when it's raining, but not when it's raining hard.
I think it's raining pretty hard.
No, not hard enough to stop him from spraying. It has to be thundering for him to stop spraying. Those green leaves, whoa, he needs to come in our field and spray. Well, no, he's already sprayed them, but they are everywhere now. He needs to come in our field right today and spray it, because I know he already killed them weeds, but they're coming back on us. Why do we need so many weeds in a bean field where beans are supposed to be and not weeds? I just get tired of it.